The manufacturing process of the car. The entire manufacturing process is divided into 5 steps: stamping, welding, painting, assembly, and testing, which links in automobile manufacturing require temperature control. Low-temperature chillers are mainly used in the testing process with test benches. For component testing, mainly motors, transmissions, sensors, and other temperature-related parts. Environmental simulation. For a variety of testing processes: atomized material testing, battery testing, oil body testing, tank durability, replacement and supplement of environmental chambers. To achieve accurate temperature control, LNEYA low temperature chiller, temperature flow pressure control system, refrigeration and heating chiller, etc. They are widely used in new energy vehicles and electronics industries, and are designed to meet the accurate temperature control requirements of battery pack testing and production processes.